Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer items using the Magic Mail and Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the gear shop in the Fall Harvest world, and then you're going to purchase the Magic Mail. There are three types of the Magic Mail. The first one is the Rare Magic Mail, the second one is the Legendary Magic Mail, and the last one is the Super Magic Mail. It depends on the type of the items that you want to transfer. If you want to transfer the rare item, you can use this rare magic mail, and this is for the legendary item. And the super magic mail is for the super item. And after you purchase it from the gear shop, you're going to open up your inventory or your backpack, and then you're going to go to the gears menu and select the magic mail that you have, and you're going to click anywhere, and you can select an item to send to the garden valley. Basically guys, we can use this magic mail to transfer something to the garden valley. You can transfer fruits, seeds, or even pets. And for instance, I'm going to use it to transfer, hold on. I'm gonna transfer, okay, let's just transfer the, this one, the turkey. We can only send the rare item using the rare magic mail. If you want to transfer a legendary item, you need to buy the legendary magic mail. And after you transfer it or send it, you're going to teleport to the Garden Valley, and you're going to open up your mailbox. The item will be there. Okay, guys, and that's how we can transfer items using the Magic Mail and Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!